Hi, I'm Egirdas Keblikas, Vice President for Asset Trading and Leasing at Magnetic MRO. Magnetic MRO, total technical care and maintenance organization with a global experience of almost 2 decades. My team supports asset owners and investors in acquiring and disposing aviation assets. We are working on minimizing technical risk and maintain residual value of your aviation investments. Past half of a year, we were working on our newest project, which should bring asset management to the next level. This project is designated for asset owners or investors like airlines, leasing companies, banks, or even private investors. We will start with full landing gears and APU service support for their fleet. That includes finding the best solution in the market to sell, lease, exchange, or repair their assets. We will be working on technical characteristics, checking documentation. We also will be doing fleet asset evaluation for upcoming repairs as well as repair management. This will definitely benefit end users in many different ways. Want to learn more about our asset management solutions or our newest project? Please get in touch. I'll be glad to brief you more before we getting on board.